Well, they look so far away, and they're here already by the time I got the camera.
I tried every way, buddy.
Easy, Matt.
You broke it. How are you going to get back to shore?
Check the air. You tighten the air down.
We're coming on the boat.
Check the air.
We'll wait till we get to the dock.
It was a long walk. You see those buildings over there? We're parked behind those buildings.
You know, there's nobody in the parking lot, right?
Yeah, no.
What you did is you had to keep air, otherwise the gas can't flow through the cover.
Front row.
That's that.
Stupid. We don't have problems like this at 5,000 feet, I tell you what.
Thank God.
Probably flooded.
Can we move one of the engines from in there?
Can you say favorite Anne Marie?
Well, why don't you just tie in the back, John? Tie in the back, we'll drive around the bay a while, we'll tow you.
Godmother. Godmother.
That's good, but I tightened up that thing. You got any soda on board, Bill?
Yep.
Quick, go get it!
What's that?
Oh my God, oh my God.
Grab the handle there, don't grab that
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
America's funniest video.
Don't go around the boat. You have to row so far next time.
That was good.
He's going to get yelled at.